Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters. And they grow your food for you with no human intervention. All I do is drop my plants in, I drop my seeds in, and all of these that you see are grown from seeds. These beets were grown from seedlings. We planted them in March of this year. They went through a number of different frosts in March. Thought they're going to be dead in the water. They survived and came back and they grew wonderfully. Now, I know you're looking at how tattered this looks. Don't let that bother you. Because down inside of this planter are instances of gold, nuggets of gold. And we're going to pull some of those nuggets out. So far, we've already harvested 5 beets, 5 big ones. Now we're going to go back and harvest the rest of them. I want to drop some beans in here. The leaves look kind of old right here, and so lets me know that they've been growing. And now I've got a huge harvest in here to pick. So 5 on top of what we get right now will be our total amount of beets that we're growing. Now these are self-growing planters. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is drop your seedlings in, little tiny plants in, as we did in March of this year, and they grew, and we got 5. Now we're gonna see how many total we can get in this particular planter right here. You drop your plants in, you drop your seeds in, and you walk away for the rest of the year. We've only supplemented this, and the supplement has worked perfectly. So I'm gonna pull these beets out and see how many we have here. So you guys can be a part of this harvesting. So let's start pulling the first one out. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? That is absolutely beautiful. I'll put it in there for you, put it in here. That root system is gorgeous, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. So these are beets growing in our self-growing planter. So already we have 1. So let me see how we're gonna put this out here. I'll just store it right here for now. Is that okay? You guys can grasp onto that? Let's put it right here. Can you see that from right there? That's just 1. Another one. There's 2. Small one is 3. That's a small one. 4. 5. 6. The small ones. 7. 8. Man, this looks great. I love it. 9. Let me throw these 2 big ones back in here. A small one. 10. 11. Uh-oh, got some big ones over here. 12. 13. 14. 15. Small one. 16. 17. 18, 19, 20. Wow, hands are getting full. Make sure there's any loose ones over here. Okay. $21, $22, $23, 24, 25, I say we have 25 beets. So 5 on top of 25, we grew a total of about 30 beets in this one planter, which is amazing. It's amazing. This is what we put from this planter. Real food. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com, Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. You're gonna get your vitamin C, you're gonna get your potassium, you're gonna get magnesium. You're gonna get all the blood flow because of the beets. They're beautiful plants, and trust me, you're gonna be able to eat a lot of food from your beets. Now, all we did, I want you to see the soil also. The soil is magnificent, look at that. This is what's happening inside of this planter. This soil is amazing. They've been growing in here since March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So you're looking at about 7 months inside of this planter for these guys to harvest. We picked 5, so we have a total of 30. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Gotta find out. Take care of these beets. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is what grows in your self-growing planter. And simply all you do is pull it out and enjoy life and eat it. Nobody's controlling you with your food supply. You have complete control over your food supply with Torpedopot. With Torpedopot, all you do is put your plants in and your seeds in, you shed it, and you forget it. And the amount of nutrition you're getting is amazing. Remember now, I'm not eating food with fertilizers, man-made fertilizers. All of these all natural ingredients that cause these beets to take off and to grow phenomenally. And that's what's going on here. Our food is growing phenomenally because we're growing them in a Torpedopot. Torpedopot grows your food. You don't need to grow your food anymore. It can feed large amounts of people. These Torpedopots, once they're set up, if one planter can do 30 beets, and we have approximately about 100 planters growing our food, we produce more food than a local farm. That's 3,000 beets I can pull out of my planters by using a household spigot to grow my food. Using my spigot, I can grow as much food as I want to inside of my Torpedopot. My Torpedopot grows my food 365 days a year without any problems at all. And it does a great job of it, tremendous job of it. This is real food. This is not fake food. This is real food. This is not something that's processed in a farm with fertilizers and it goes through all the agricultural cycles. This is healthy, organic food made available to you 24 hours a day. And you know what's so good about this? In a Torpedopot, all you do is put your seeds in, you put your plants in, and you walk away. Every beet that you see here, in order for it to start growing again, the only thing I need to do is take it and push it back into the planter. And it'll like nothing ever happened. Torpedopot grows your food, so I don't even have to harvest. But the reason why I'm harvesting all these beets is because I want to put some more food in there. They've grown to where I like where they're at right now. And so I don't have to do that anymore. I can now start growing other food inside of there to grow my food. So 30 beets in total is what we harvested from this one planter. And I expect all of you to be able to do the same thing. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. I don't know if I can fit this in the bag. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.